Hello guys, this is Sohan and welcome back to my channel Technical Spark. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how you can run your Android application on desktop and laptop PC. Guys, the software which we are going to use in this video, that's name is BlueStack and this is completely free of cost. So without further ado, let's get started. Guys, to run Android application on your PC, first of all we need to download one software. So let's open any browser and type www.bluestacks.com/download.html. Don't worry guys, I'll give this link in my video description below. Click on enter. In download page, we'll have to choose our version. So I'm going to choose Windows 64-bit. The same software you can run on Mac computer also. And here again 64-bit. If in case you want to test any 32-bit software, then you can use this option. But in my case, I'm going with Android 64-bit and click on download. Software is downloaded now. Show in folders. Now just double click on this setup. Let me close this. Okay, now setup is started. Just click on install now, and if you want to install this software in another directory, then click on customize installation, but I am going with a default installation setting. Install now. Since this is online installer, so software is downloading all this setup file in the backend, and software size is 667 MB. Once software is downloaded, then it will automatically extract the setup files and start installation. As you can see, our installation is completed. Now we'll have to log in here with our Google account. Click on sign in and enter your email ID and password. If you want, you can read the terms and conditions and click on I agree. Guys, if you are planning to use this software for very long time, then I'll recommend to keep this option turned on, so that whatever changes or tasks you will do in your PC, it will automatically get backed up on the Google Drive. But in my PC, this is just for your demonstration, so I'm going to disable it. Accept. Great. So now installation is completed. Now you can install any application as per your choice, like games, apps, movies, books. There is lots of option available. Let's download one of the application. Just for the testing purpose. So let me download Google Pay and click on install. Okay, successfully installed. Now click on open. It's asking us for our number, which means this is working. Let me download one more application. WhatsApp. Click on install. Open. Agree and continue. Great. So guys, this is how you can install any software in your PC using this BlueStack software. Let me close. And if in case you want to uninstall any application, then just click on that particular software and click on uninstall. It's got uninstalled. It's a very quick. Guys, if you want to learn more about this application, then just go to the home screen and here just follow the tour. In the home screen, we have two options. First is My Games and Game Center. In Game Center, you can search for any games and you will be able to download free of cost. And in My Games, we have the options like Android. Here we have camera, settings, browser, media manager, the software which we just installed. As well as in the right side, if you want to make this screen as a full screen, then just click on this option, sound, navigation. There's lots of options available. If you want to capture the screenshot, you can do it here. If you want to record macros, then these are all options available in the right side of the screen. Let me show you one very important thing. Let's close this. Close. Click on the BlueStack Multi-Instance Manager. Guys, in BlueStack Multi-Instance Manager, you can create as many as Android devices you want. For an example, right now we were working on this device, but if you want, you can create one more Android device. Just click on the new instance. If you want to copy any existing device, then choose clone instance. And if you want to create fresh instance like a new mobile, then choose first option. Choose the operating system version. So I'm going to choose 64-bit. Next, CPUs, and here you can allocate the memory you want. So I'm choosing 1 CPU. RAM is 4 GB. In a resolution, you can choose the landscape, portrait. So I'm going to keep it the default settings and click on create. And guys, if you want to modify any setting, then just simply click on instance setting. If you want to delete any Android device, then click on delete, or you may just simply click on start button. Is starting the BlueStack for first time use. Now we'll have to follow the same process for our second device. I hope guys now you have completely understood how you can run Android application on your PC. If you found this video useful, then please smash on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.